Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We are in Turkey, in Turunç. Let's take a little walk back towards our boat. What's that, Abadi? I don't know if it's...
The weather is scorching.
Scorchio. So yeah, got Vespers here. Nice little restaurant here as well, very nice. Guess everyone does really nice fresh fish. Vespers. Everyone enjoying their meal here. Let's not annoy everybody. Oh, check out the nice garden here. Very nice. All the pretty flowers. This is not a floral show. 13? That's really good. How do you say that? Turunç Promenade, huh? Look at this little pool. Very nice. Bit of reggae going on here, so I'll speak up for you guys. So yeah, lovely little sea club, it says. Howdy. Hello. Very nice. Nice little puddings at the back as well. Oh, we already came past her. So yeah, you'll see that on another video. We already have come past her, I think. So, she says up there, Jojo Beach. I don't know what that is, but yeah. Oh, it's got a roof terrace as well. At the top there. Oh, yeah, I'm not even showing you guys. At the top. There we go. Get you straight round. Belly dancer. I know how you guys love it when I'm singing. Check these little trees out. With lanterns on. Does it look really nice at night time? Nice little Fidan restaurant here. Very nice. And again, look, straight onto the beach. Yeah, the lanterns on the trees, very nice. What we got here? Another just lovely restaurant. This one hasn't got a name. Oh, it's going to come up at the end. It will come up at the end. Let's go past these people. What's it called? Sorry. There you go. The Zebuk. That's how you say it. That's how you say it. Hello. Oh, let me push you over. How are you? You good? Yeah. Good man. See ya. Oh, more lanterns done up on the trees. It's very nice. Looks like a lot of the boats are heading back now. But ours, we've still got another 45 minutes. Gypsy. Oh, the Gypsy Souls, Mark and Judy. Found your place. English breakfast, 500. Not too bad, is it? 500, what's that? Every 100's a pound, £2 every 100. Well, maybe that's a tenner. Maybe that is a bit too much. What's this one? Buffets. Very nice. Here you got the fresh kebab. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, look at this lovely little bit here. Outside Caf. Woo, and a little market. Let's have a quick little look at the market. It's just like any of the shops to me. So you've got the boats up there. Let's go past. Ooh. So a little tiny beach here. Everyone enjoying it. Next little pit stop that the boat stops at, we're gonna jump in the sea, have a little swim. We didn't bring the flotation, so what we do is we'll just film each other jumping in. I'll jump from the top. Sabrina will jump from the top. Won't you, Sabrina?
Yes.
She's gonna jump. She's got it on video now, so she has to do it. But yeah. Let's see Sabrina jumping off the boat from the very top. What we got here? Shorts, £10. Boats. Football tops, everything like that. Football shirts and shorts, £2. No way. Don't believe it. Maybe for like the baby, not for big humans. So, let's go and drink all of our free drinks. You alright? I know.
Back to the boat.
Is it going on, is he?
Yeah. You come back to the boat, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Get more bags. What's that? A restaurant at the top as well. That's quite cool up there. Yeah, very nice. Oh, and you got the man on the horse pointing. What's he pointing at? Towards Marmaris, I guess. Again, in the comments, let me know. So we get everything wrong. Always ask how much things are and they never tell you. Come here, let me put it on you. Then you're stuck. Black ladies all around the world try it on us. Come here. Handsome sir, come here. Let me put this on your hand. Nope, get off. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Right. I'm going to stick to the slushies on the boat. Absolutely free. Sabrina wants to spend money. There's ice creams in a minute as well on the boat. They bring around ice creams, yeah. Let's get yourself an ice cream. Everyone chilling. Oh, call me boy, are you? Oh, you call him boy?
12 quid for an ice cream.
Is that how much it is?
Wow.
Bloody hell.
600 lira.
That's a rip-off, isn't it?
It's like one fucking scoop.
Yeah. Fucking
There you
hell.
go.
That's it. She was like, I'll get ice creams. I said, no, get a slush on the
You don't
boat.
even get that in London.
No.
Quickly do around there.
Oh, yeah. Let's keep going. So, there's our boat at the end.
So we're the Mega Diana.
Mega Diana on the end. We're going to walk round, show you a bit more. Show you a little bit more. What's this one here? Zamir. Zitmir. Let's go have a quick look. Caution, it's slippery there. Can we just walk through? Will we get towed off? No, we can go through. So yeah, this is a lovely little beach. Got some nice sand on this one. I mean, if someone was offering me to go to a beach, I'd have to make sure it has some sand. So I'll tell you the prices here. What we got? Wow. It's not for me to be able to read that one. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? You okay?
Good.
Yeah, good, thank you.
Thank you. Maybe one day.
I'm too hard. Huh? The what?
Where
I'm
you
looking.
From?
Oh.
Who are
I'm with the
this
boat.
hotel?
No, with the boat.
Oh.
Came with the boat, yeah. So we have it all drink and everything there.
Yeah.
We don't want to spend. Thank you, yeah?
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
The sand is lovely.
Everyone chilling, having a lovely meal. That's the problem. Oh, look at that. Little doggy. There you go. Hello. Hello. Yeah. So yeah, let's get around this corner, show you a little bit more. We've got to make sure we get back on that boat. Looks like it's a bit shabby, not open. But anyway, guys, if you can like, share, comment, send the video to your friends who love going to Turkey. This is the Mega Diana boat trip, stopping at Turunç on the way to the next swimming stop. We've had lunch already, we've had 2 swimming stops, and I think we've got another 3 or 2 swimming stops to come. I'm gonna have to walk a little bit faster to get round to this next little bit, because I need to get back on the boat. Got about half an hour, which is long enough, but you know, I want to get back in, have a drink. I need to put you guys back on charge, because for some reason you guys are low on battery. But we've got 2 cameras. But guess what? Sabrina's one's not on charge, so, you know, hopefully one day she'll think about charging stuff instead of me having to do it all. Enough moaning, eh? So back to the beautiful views. Check these hotels out. Must be lovely staying around here. Turunç Resort, taxi boats. Oh, at least this one tells you the time when they're leaving. But the other ones, they've got little kiosks where you can ask. But I never ask. Can you go no more? Ah, no. It's hotel, yeah? Okay, thank you. So, here's the lovely beach in the background. Thank you for tuning in, guys. This is Wild One Tours, and we'll catch you on the next one.